first of all, I need to ask, what does the word symmetry mean? I'm just asking straight up. And it's funny because Justice came up with the idea, or threw out the idea of a butterfly when, uh, and actually, I like to think of symmetry as a butterfly as well. Dawson is saying poses. I'm not sure what that means, but what does the word symmetry mean? All right, we don't know. Does everyone not know what symmetry means? Okay, well, let's look. I know I kind of got funky when I looked up a definition on the internet, but we'll see what we have. All right, symmetry. S-Y-M-E-T-R-Y. Symmetry. Hey, why'd you pop up a pop-up? Did I spell it wrong? Symmetry. Come on, Firefox. All right. Dude, why are you... Okay. Merriam-Webster. Taking so long. Symmetry. A balanced proportion. Beauty of form arising from balanced proportions. Okay, that doesn't really help me make sense. Good. Let's do symmetry for kids. Or the quality of something that has two sides or halves that are the same or very close in size, shape, and proportion. Okay, so symmetry means having two sides that are, the same. And we're not talking about symmetry, we're talking about symmetry. Okay, so for example, let's figure out some shapes that are similar. Or not symmetry, but is this square symmetric? Oh, exactly, like a butterfly. Butterfly symmetry. Let's see that. Okay, butterfly symmetry. Blah, blah, blah. This one looks cool. Oh, I like that. That's really cool. You see how this butterfly, it's almost like you took half of a butterfly, you copied it, and you put it on the other side, and that's the symmetry. That's a cool picture. Now, it has to be symmetric about, exactly, equal halves. I like that idea. But it has to be symmetric about a certain place. Now, in this case, the symmetric butterfly is symmetric about, this is a nice one, about this line, this vertical line going right over here. It's like if I were to cut that butterfly in half, then I would have two of the exact same halves. Do you see what I mean? But it's only if I were to cut the butterfly in half this way. If I were to cut the butterfly in half this way, that wouldn't be symmetric. That wouldn't be an axis of symmetry. And what I mean by axis is a line of symmetry. So let's go with a circle. Well, let's go with the shape they gave us. Because here's my question is, they kind of did more of a half circle, huh? All right. Is this shape symmetric right here? Or is there a line where I can say on one side of the line, it's symmetric, just like the other side of the line? Do you see what I'm getting at here? And my answer is yes. But it's not, it's not like this line right here. I'm going to cut this thing in half. Oh, hey, look. On this side of the line looks exactly like this side of the line. Everyone likes the color blue, but I want you to make sure you're paying attention to what we're doing here. But basically, here's what I want to show you folks is, see, if I have the axis of symmetry go horizontally like that, then the stuff on top looks exactly the same as the stuff on the bottom. Does that make sense to you? In my 10 seconds left of the jing. All right, cool.